And there's the new one going up. Shiny, shiny steel, galvanised, going on top of a 50-year-old wooden pole. This Powerline easement was bulldozed about the same year I was born. They built it in 62, 63. I'm pretty sure it would have gone into service 64 or 65. So has it officially done a good job for 50-something years?
The razor?
Yeah.
Yeah. Survived the test. Oh, rain spots.
Becomes firewood now, by the look of it. They will be old razors in the back of the trailer, are they? I say that's old razors over there?
Yeah.
So how many a day do you turn from solid into firewood?
4 to 6. Yeah.
4 to 6 a day.
Depending on how much travel.
Looks like good firewood.
Some is, but the idea of it goes rotten to guts.
Yeah. Not entirely certain whether the split's going to show on my little camera. And here's the replacement, which will be going up on the east side tower. When they get sick of the west side razor, as they call it. Really hard to get this lit. Bright cloud in the background. And of course, there's a blue hole over there. Well, by the look of that, the holes don't match up. Almost, but not quite. Looks like his compressed air gun shit itself. He's having to tighten them up by hand. Now he's got an electric rattle gun. Bridging bar going on between two bolts through the web with a steel crossbar along the top of the two posts. Now we're using a cordless drill. Cordless impact wrench anyway. And of course, because they're now using a steel razor instead of a wooden one, they don't have to run a cable all the way up to the lightning conductor or lightning protector. They can just sit the lightning protector at the top end of the riser and connect the steel strap that runs down to earth to the bottom end of the riser, and the riser becomes part of the circuit, which I suppose is more efficient. As he said during lunchtime, they almost never actually climb a tower themselves. They just sit in the basket and let the hydraulics do the work. For reasons of the occupational health and safety regulations. Okay, so the strain's now being taken by the new steel riser. Before the boys in the basket have finished doing the western riser, the crane's already getting set up for the eastern riser. And this is what it takes to keep the 132,000 volt feeder line from Armidale to Tenterfield up and running. And this is the first major maintenance this line has had since it was put in 50 years ago. And as we're coming to the end of the video, and as we have seen the procedure before, not from this angle, I'll keep going till the end of the upload limit, and then we will consider the subject covered. Okay, I consider that fairly educational. Warbles on a lot to YouTube. Ciao.